Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss Tynisha,
And I'm Miss Chelsea.
and we are here to do the STEAM Three Little Pigs program. Now, I think everyone is pretty familiar with the story, The Three Little Pigs. What do you think?
I think so, but if not,
Yes. The main moral of the story is that there are three pigs. They're brothers, and they all three of them built houses. One was built from straw, the other from sticks, and then the final house was made of bricks. And there was this wolf who was trying to huff and puff to blow their house down. And as you read on, you will find out which material was the best in building a house. So we kind of recreated that today, right?
yes.
So the first house I built is made from straw. And
The next one that we built is made from wooden popsicle sticks, like the stick house.
the final house is made from counting cubes, which represent bricks. All right, so I'm going to talk a little bit about how I designed my house. Now, keep this in mind. When you receive your kits, you have all the raw materials. You are the engineer, so your house doesn't have to look exactly like ours, right?
No, the first ones I made didn't look like this at all.
Right. So, like I said, this is just kind of like a model to show you what you could do, but take our ideas or do something on your own. All of it is pretty cool. So pretty much what I did is I started with a triangle for my roof, and then I recreated the triangle on both sides to kind of make it look 3D. And then finally I made a square base. I added legs to the square base, that's what I kind of call it, and made another bottom here at the end that was shaped up like a square. And then I used my piece of paper for a nice little rug for my pig.
That is a beautiful home for the pig.
Thank you. All right.
And for the stick house, we took our big wooden popsicle sticks and we cut them in half, and then we taped 4 sticks together, and we did that 4 times. So we had 4 sets of 4 sticks, and then we laid them all out and we put tape across them, and we left little gaps so that we could roll it up and make this nice square house for our pig. And then we taped it all together one more time, and he can just go right inside there.
Awesome. Do you want to tell a little bit about how you made the brick house?
Yes, this one I really just put them all together into a square house for the pig, and he can live in there.
Cool. Now the great part, or the fun part for me,
Yes.
is the straws. Now I picked these out to represent the color for our Tails and Tails summer reading program. So let's get started.
All right.
Which one do you think is going to blow over, Miss Chelsea?
If I know anything about this story, I think maybe our straw house might blow over, but I hope that they all stay up to keep our pigs safe.
Okay. All right. So let's try it. Let's see here. So I don't know if you guys were able to see that on camera, but this house did move, but it didn't blow over. So that's pretty good, right?
He's kind of safe.
Yeah, he's kind of safe. Now let's
Okay.
move on to this one.
Let's see. Okay.
Whoa.
I think our house needs a rug.
Oh, let me quickly get one.
Let's see if that makes any difference.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yes. Oh. I wonder what happens when you add that rug there.
What if you take your rug out?
Oh, that's a really good suggestion. Let's see what happens.
Oh,
I'm getting a lot more movement now that I don't have this rug. And I'm not a scientist at all, but I'm thinking maybe with the rug it's creating kind of some friction that's making the house kind of stay in place.
Yes, just like the structure of your house.
Yes.
Okay, so they both moved, but neither one fell over. What about our brick house?
I don't think it's gonna move at all, Miss Chelsea, to be honest.
Let's see. Oh,
Whoa,
that's not going anywhere.
it's not. So, if you had to choose, Miss Chelsea, if you were gonna build your house out of straw, sticks, or bricks, which material would you use?
I definitely would have to go with the bricks.
I agree. And that's really similar to what happened in the actual story of the 3 little pigs. The house that was made of bricks was able to keep them all safe from the wolf, right?
And the other ones fell over.
And the other ones fell over. But I have to say, we must be pretty good engineers because these did not fall over. So great job, Miss Chelsea.
Yeah, great job. I hope you guys have as much fun with this as we did.
I know, this was great. Now, what's the next program that we're having on Wednesday?
Yes, so the next program that we have is going to be on June 30th, and it's going to be at 11 a.m. And you guys are going to make solar ovens with Miss Stephanie and Miss Beth.
That is going to be an amazing program. We hope that you are truly enjoying all of the summer reading activities. Remember to keep on reading, and we will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.